two users open the same record. Both edit it. Both hit save. With most APIs, the second save silently overwrites the first, a lost update, and nobody even knows it happened. RFC 9110 has the fix, ETags, and the IfMatch header, and Trellis builds it on the aggregate's own version token, so making an update safe is one line on the read and one on the write. Here's the problem, step by step. Client A reads project 42. Client B reads the very same project, same version. A renames it to Apollo 11 and saves. Then B, working from the stale copy it read a moment ago, renames it to Apollo X and saves right over A's change. A's update is just gone. No error, no warning. That's a lost update. The fix starts on the read. When a client gets a project, Trellis emits an ETag header, an opaque version string for exactly the state they just saw. It's the aggregate's own ETag, a concurrency token Trellis stamps fresh on every save. You opt in with one line, with ETag pointing at the property. Now the client holds proof of which version it read. Now the write. The client sends back the ETag it read in an IfMatch header. ParseIfMatch reads it, and RequireETag enforces it against the aggregate's current version. If they match, the update proceeds. Rename, save, and return the new ETag for next time. But if the version is stale, because someone already wrote, RequireETag short circuits with a 412, precondition failed, and the save never runs. And if a required if match is missing entirely, it's a 428. The lost update is now impossible. So conditional updates make three promises. 1. Every aggregate carries an ETag, a concurrency token Trellis stamps fresh on every save, so it always reflects the current version. 2. A get emits that ETag, and the client echoes it back in an IfMatch header on its next write, proof of which version it's updating. 3. If that version is stale, the write fails with a 412, precondition failed, and if a required if match is missing, a 428. The second writer is told to reload and retry, instead of silently erasing the first. ETags and IfMatch turn last write wins into the write wins, the RFC 9110 way to make concurrent updates safe for every client and every AI hitting your API. Next, we put the same ETag to work on the read side. Conditional GET with if none match, returning 304 not modified to save bandwidth when nothing has changed. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.